Okay, guys, today we are going to be calling the Cheep Cheep from Mario. You are never going to believe what is going to happen next. But first, I need you all to smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and most importantly, turn on the notifications. Let's do this. Hello, is this the Cheep Cheep from Mario?
I am Cheep Cheep.
Hey, is your refrigerator running?
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta hang up. Okay. We just called him. Something crazy is gonna happen, guys. I swear to God. Do not forget to smash the like button. Smash that subscribe button. Or else your grandma is gonna die of tuberculosis, okay? So, just... Wait, what's that over there? Oh, God. Lucas, where are you? Hold on. I'll turn the lights up. Hold on. Ow. Dude, Lucas, nothing is over here right now. Oh, what is that? What was that? Oh, shoot! Run. Okay, guys, that was the Cheep Cheep from Mario. Okay, is it still over there, Lucas? Lucas, give me the camera. You go beat it up. I got it. Lucas, go beat him up. Dude. You got this. There he is. There's Cheep Cheep. Oh my God, did he just die? Dude, what happened? He hit his, leg or something. Dude.